I'm Anthony De Silva from Ambeli. Yesterday I read one article saying that Subhash Faldesai want to regenerate or restore the temples which are 100 years old. And just 5 months back, exactly on the same date, Pramod Bab Sawant has made statement that he want to restore the destroyed temples of Goa on May 21st, if I'm not mistaken. Okay? And he had earmarked 20 crores. After earmarking, after making statement, then they are out to search where are the temples. Temples nakoy huya indi. Tumhi change location nakoy. You all don't know which are the temple destroyed, but earmark kon paise doltu 20 crores muttu. अरे आमगे गरीब लोकां गेले बेस्ते बेस्ते स्कीम बरे 2,500 स्कीम मेळ्ळे लोकां टायमार. They are pending and pending sometimes for months and years. Ladli Lakshmi pending ha, retired seamen na ye post pending alle, magi tugele housewife scheme pending hai, kitu janange scheme pending hai, senior citizen hai post timer mene. Te post dor pa tuko budget asna te timer. And e budget in advance dota hai tumi. Ha te majority loka thoda pan manta hai. And time to time scratch lottery la otta hai tumi. And तो फळदेसाय के कोण एकलो स्पोक्स पर्सन एक चॅनलाचे दिथूय तो ते IIT प्रोटेस्ट कोताय ते पर्टिक्युलर कम्युनिटी भुरगे कम्युनिटी लोक. So what happens if you have a particular community? I am proud to be of one community. Most of the agitations, most of the things when Goa is at stake, most of the time it is the majority of the minorities who take part in the agitation. So what happens? And there are minorities of the majorities. They may not be coming because of some reason which they know the best. But there are one or two reasons which I understand. They may not be coming for the protest because they may be having the government jobs. So they think that their cradle is not going to be shaken. Sadly mistaken, but. Second, they may not be coming to protest because people like Subhash Faldesai will make a note of them. And मागीर तो ट्रान्सफर मारता तांकां काणकोण टू कारवार I mean काणकोण टू पेडणे ना वास्को टू फोंड्या ताका देयना आसतले. It is not because of the love of you. If it was the love of you, how come you are getting only 33% votes? And now you don't get worried about the minority community or that particular community. Konai worry जावपाक. Our standard is quite high. Our per capita income is one of the highest in the whole of India. And among them, in Goa also, the per capita income of our minorities are definitely very good. It's excellent. We don't have to get worried about all this thing. You will not see even 10 beggars on the streets of Goa who are the original Goans, Goenka Raspanai. And worst part I'll tell you, I challenge you to show even the people of that particular community पडमुडा त्या रस्त्यार हालत आगो भीक मागता इथे किती उलयता पर्टिक्युलर कम्युनिटी पडके तुम हॅरेस कोताय मरेस कोनो टाइम टू टाइम इन्स्टिगेट कोनो we people from Goa, they are not new for migrating to other countries. Goans were all over the world for ages. Even much before Portugal came to Goa. Even after Portuguese left also Goans used to migrate. But majority of the Goans were here out of full love for them and they stuck to Goa. It is in the recent 7-8 years that most of the Goans are rushing out of Goa. It is because of people like these MLAs and ministers who are destroying this Goa and using the dictatorial all actions are being done. Kinda. Ratya bito ordinance, ratya bito amendments. Kiten kaicha kai karo? Particular community, who is dividing? And my humble request to all the majority people, please don't think that this ball will come and stop only at our feet. Today they are dividing us with a blue line. It's a rarefied air. A time will come when you people also will be attacked by the same people and not with blue line. You all will be attacked vertically with a red line. लॉंग आफ्टर हायपोथिकली जरी तर गोंयकार ना हिंगा आमी मायनॉरिटीज नाही जायत ते तुमच्या फाटी पडले. गोवा इज अ ब्युटिफुल स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ पीपल. यू पीपल वॉन्ट टू मेक इट फॉर सिंगल कलर. कायचे काय एवरी टाइम कितें जाल्यार कितें इश्यू घेवप इन्स्टिगेट करप. स्टॉप ऑल दिस. गिव जस्टिस टू दॅट बॉय ऑल्सो फ्रॉम सांगे who died in that road accident. Put those things first in place. Second thing, stop. Tell your people not to pinpoint and make division and subdivision based on caste, color, creed and community. You are a micro image of Modi or what? Because Modi had once said it seems, कपड़ों से पहचान सकता है. And तुम कैसा पहचानता है? Community based on what? शर्ट घाताय म्हणून शर्ट घायला एक कम्युनिटी झाली किती कम्युनिटी बेस कोता जाय तू. वाय डोंट यू गो टू GMC? पुट वन बोर्ड देयर. पर्टिक्युलर कम्युनिटी शुड डोनेट ब्लड फॉर पर्टिक्युलर कम्युनिटी म्हणून. ब्लड घेत त्या कोण इंचा नाही मरे हुच कम्युनिटी काय म्हणून हुच रिलीजन ते थिंग इंचा नाही वय तिका कम्युनल एक सेल्वो घाताय आलोयता इन्स्टिगेट कोताय झाले. आणि असले इन्स्टिगेशन कोण कोण तुम्ही सगळे स्प्रेड केला. कम्युनिटी कोताय. आता कलेक्टर आवाज थिंगाय ते कम्युनिटी बेस किती इमेज असताय देवांच्यो. पहिले देव आसताले रे ऑस्पिशियस देव आसताले कलेक्टर आसताले पुलीस स्टेशनाचे आसताले ते बरे कोण डिसंट एक प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर सगळे भाशेक देव धुवताले. ऑस्पिशियस आसात काय बरं थिंगा ऑर्डर आहा सगळे देव आहे. साउथ गोवा हॉस्पिटलान वचन चोय बरे को मांडिला इक्वली एट वन प्लेस. आतां तुमगे कितें जालां देर इज नो कंट्रोल because they all instigate on religion. एक देशाचे एक आपापल्या देव दवरलो आहे थिंगा. We are a secular country. There is no need of all this godliness there. And if it is there, let there be one common pedestal where all the gods should be there. That's all. Because this thing also instigate and influence the people who are acting on the other people. Police station jari tench, police vena tench, police jeepi tench, police who he was. No government offices or no government places should have or they should not have. If they have, it should be of all community. Otherwise, nobody. Why should it be? And थिंगाय ते किती शिवले असे कोण इन्स्टिगेट केले कोण एक दोन जाणां कन्वर्ट केले मग त्याचे किती गायले एलिगेशन आणि मागीर ते प्रूफ जाला हो नको ते नको. बट आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू एंडोर्स व्हॉट ही हॅज बीन डुईंग. If he is wrong, singularly handle him. Punish him as an individual. Don't paint the whole community with a red brush. Christianity, Christian, conversion. Kitti laila. And the Goan media was like on a playground. Breaking news, debates on that same issue. For almost 10 days it was going on. And now, somewhere in Delhi, somewhere in North, more than 1,000 people got converted from Hinduism to Buddhism. Thousands people open ग्राउंडाचेर चॅलेंज करून कन्वर्ट झाले. एक मूस देऊन गेला ना थिंगा एक परिंदा नाही आया कित्याक फकत एक इन्स्टिगेशन करप कसले काम. आय थिंक गोंयांत न्यूज देखून ना तो. They have not even found that it was right to even announce such news. Such a big news it was. In the dogs and out of 17 lakhs कोण एक दोग जाण कन्वर्ट झाले किती आल्लो तेजे एलिगेशन तेजे ऑल इश्यू. स्टॉप ऑल दीस भंकस बंद करूया सगळे. टाइम टू टाइम स्क्रॅच लॉटरी काडपाक बंद कराय तुम्ही. डू समथिंग फॉर द वेलफेअर ऑफ द पीपल. फर्स्ट मिस्टर सुभाष फळदेसाय सांगता इम्प्रूव दॅट सांगे. इटली दॅट होल ऑफ सांगे इज लायक एन्शियंट मरे. देव बरें करूं. बट बिफोर वी क्लोज डावन हांव एक उपकार मागतलो सगळ्यां कडेन. म्हाजें एक YouTube चॅनल आसा एंटनी डिसिल्वा म्हूण. प्लीज press the button, so subscribe and bell button also please. And please share kare video sogल्याक, and all the people in Goa, please subscribe my channel so that in one instant I can reach out to as many people as possible, so that I can come out with day-to-day current affairs as and when my health permits. And rest assured, I will not register this channel for monetary gains for myself. Dev Guru, thank you very much.